This one's accusing someone of fraud. There are personal details given.
You've probably heard that Japan has a lot of vending machines. In fact, if you put them all side by side and then ran a marathon every day, it would take you over 100 days to run past all of them. But we're not here to explore them all. We're here to explore the most unique vending machines in the country. Vending machines where you can get A5 Wagyu steak, fresh cake, flowers, and even people's deepest, darkest secrets, one of which led us to an active fraud investigation. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're on our way to our first unique vending machine, but on the way, one thing that makes all Japanese vending machines unique is the sheer quantity of them. Just as a little example, we're on this random back road where our Airbnb is right now, and we're just gonna do a quick count of how many vending machines are on this side street. Starting with these, we've got 1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14, and
15, all just down this street. We're gonna grab some coffee and then head to our first officially unique vending machine.
Our first unique vending machine sells hot bowls of ramen. It's inside Tokyo Station, but we didn't realize that it's not actually in the main area. It's behind the ticket gates. And not just any gates, the bullet train gates, aka the most expensive ones. Since we didn't want to pay $200 to get ramen, we tried talking to the ticketing agent to see if we could just, squeeze by. We could not, but he did tell us that we could buy an admission ticket. We want to go to this restaurant that I think is down there.
You need to buy entrance ticket.
Which is just a cheap ticket that will get us through the gate, but not on any trains.
I think I see it.
So after all that, we finally made it through, ready to enjoy a hot, no way.
There's 2 vending machines, we're good.
We ordered the thick miso ramen to share. Oh my gosh, okay. And then chopsticks down here. Wow. We got the miso ramen. It looks really hearty. It came with veggies and a lot of really thick, good-looking noodles. Okay, you want first bite?
I mean, oh my god. We're gonna have to get 2. I don't want to share. There's no way that just came out of a vending machine and a plastic package. It's good. Oh, we're gonna get a little restock.
Do you want to go look?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Where are they going? Anyway, it's delicious. The noodles are perfectly done. They're not too soggy. They're great texture. The meat in there, delicious for vending machine ramen meat.
For vending machine ramen meat is a crazy sentence.
Yeah, it's so good.
It is. That's so cool that he's restocking it right now. It just goes to show you that there's something absurd 7 million or something vending machines, but they're maintained really well and stocked really well. The amount of effort that goes into making sure everything's packaged pretty well, packaged fresh, is immense. So it looks like that wasn't a restock. He took everything out of the machine we ordered from. If we had gotten there 10 minutes later, we wouldn't have had anything available. Perfect timing.
What a great deal. Honestly, a great way to start off our vending machines. The ramen that we had was 850 yen, plus the 150 entrance fee is 1,000 yen, which is roughly $7 US. Heck of a deal. All right, on to the next vending machine.
All right, our Our next vending machine takes us to Don Quixote, which is listed online as a discount store, but it's really 8 floors of just absolute maximalism. Really anything you can imagine they sell here, but especially if it's like Pokemon or anime related, tons of like little trinkets and toys and souvenirs, but they also sell things like knives and chopsticks and suitcases, just really anything you can think of.
On the first floor of this Don Quixote is a Honko vending machine. A Honko is basically a name stamp that can be used for a variety of things in Japan, including as your signature for official documents or contracts, things like that. Since Caleb and I don't have a real use for this, we're dedicating the stamp to our dog, Luna. The process was really cool and customizable. You got to select the color and size of the wax stamp, as well as the text and font.
All right, we picked it out. It says it's carving. It said it takes between 10 and 20 minutes. We might be here for a while. It's 3:01. We'll see you when it's done and tell you how long it took.
There are many luxurious items like the PlayStation.
100% done. And go, and go, and go, and go.
Hey, continue, hey, continue.
It already dropped.
Oh my gosh. Wow. It's so much smaller and more intricate than I would have guessed. That's wild.
That was sick. I feel like today's been a massive success so far, except we're pretty behind schedule. So we're just gonna go ahead and teleport to the next place. Here we are. This is a Wagyu vending machine. I mean, that is insane. I have been so excited for this one. Let's get some Wagyu. If you've never had Wagyu before, it literally translates to Japanese cow, but it's a special type of steak, and it's apparently the gold standard. I've only had it once, and it was really good, so I'm excited to have it again. We're gonna go with the lottery, mainly because it's the cheapest, but also we don't really know enough about Wagyu to know what to get anyways, so let's go for it. Ooh, all right.
Wow.
All right, let's see what we got. All right, here it is. Looks like it's frozen.
Yeah. Yeah, that's frozen solid.
Yeah, I don't think we can eat that right now.
Should we ask?
Yeah, I think let's ask.
Okay. Future Lindsey and Caleb, how is it?
Boom. Hi.
Hey.
Lindsey and Caleb from the future here. We just cooked up our Wagyu, and I think it's time to try it. All right, vending machine meat.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's actually like comically good.
It's so good. You guys are gonna love it. Get ready. It was a good decision.
All right, back to the past.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your vending machines. Good luck finding all of them.
Cool. We have something to look forward to.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. On to the next vending machine.
All right, bad news. We finally ran into our first issue with one of the vending machines we planned to visit. This one was like a spicy one. It sold stuff like with Carolina Reaper and Ghost Pepper, but it looks like it's either moved or just disappeared completely. But we did find another really cool vending machine in this area when we were looking for it. So we're gonna go to that one. Okay, it's not the spicy vending machine we were looking for, but you know, orange juice. Let's get some fresh squeezed orange juice. Boom. Okay. We got that. Oh. Whoa. Here it comes. Wow.
Okay.
Fresh orange juice.
Oh my gosh, it sealed it for you.
It did seal it. Look at that.
Wow.
I'm a harsh critic. I grew up in Florida. Orange juice is really important to me. That's good orange juice. 2 thumbs up. Well, this worked out. This is way better than eating a spicy Carolina Reaper out of a vending machine. So let's get to the next place.
We waited until night to visit our final vending machine. It's become a pretty infamous spot in Tokyo and is even called Weird Vending Machine Corner on Google Maps.
Ooh, this must be it. It does look a little ominous. Oh yeah, here are the mystery boxes.
Whoa.
These mystery boxes are what this stretch of vending machines is known for. The area itself feels a little run down and strangely laid out, which definitely adds to the creepy aura. And while there are a few food and drink items, what really draws people here are these boxes. Hand wrapped in newspaper, sealed with tape, and covered with strange type notes on the outside. Most of the notes are in Japanese, though a few are in English, and most are definitely not appropriate to repeat on YouTube. I'll spare you the details, but think of themes like war, political issues, and various crimes. A few of the stories are lighter, so we're gonna pick one of those and see what's inside.
We've made our decision. We're gonna get mystery box number 5 up here. It's 850 yen. Let's go for it.
Okay. Is this part of it?
I guess so. I guess we gotta give it another 1,000.
Wait, it just spit out.
It just gave us our money back. Okay, it didn't work, and then it gave us our money back. I just jiggled the little handle here. Okay, take 2.
Take 2.
Boom. Come on, come on. Yeah!
We got it.
Okay, I have our mystery box. We went with the one that had the story about secondhand smoke. We'll put the translation right here. And it also has some stuff on the back. So interested to see what that is.
We'll translate the letters later, but first we had to see what was in this box.
I don't know about you. Some people are like gentle with their wrapping paper. I am not. I'm a rip it apart kind of person. Just kind of dig in there, you know? Oh my gosh. You know, I don't know what it is, but it appears to be either cat food or some kind of kid snack. There are pictures of cats on the side, so maybe cat food, maybe human food. Ooh.
Looks like an animal cracker.
Wow, that's so funny. They had to label it lion because it looks more like a sea lion than a land lion. Look at this squirrel. If you've ever had the original unflavored goldfish that are meant to be soup crackers and mixed those with graham crackers and made them look almost like animals and then labeled them, that's what these are. Okay, we took off the 2 letters and they were both in Japanese, so we had to translate them. The first one appears to be accusing someone of fraud, and the second one appears to be a quite nice fortune, so gonna hang on to this one.
Hey, so turns out there's a bit of an epilogue to this story. It's October now, but we actually filmed this video back in June. When we got the notes on the mystery box, we of course thought they were interesting, but we didn't really think about it again until we started editing this video. Well, I got curious about the bank theft / fraud case that we got. It was pretty specific. It even mentioned somebody by name. So I decided to Google it. And it turns out it is a real person and a real case. And 1 week ago, she was sentenced to 9 years in jail for the crimes that were described in the note. So of course, after that, I had to Google the rest of the names that we had in our pictures or other footage. And it turns out all of those people are real people and really have ongoing cases as described on their notes too. And I think that finding out that some of these were verifiably real stories added some extra layer of creepiness or intrigue or something to these boxes. Not really anything is known about the person or people that stock these vending machines, not that I could find at least. But I think it's pretty cool that there's this place where people can anonymously share stories, and they have these vending machines as a way to bring attention to them. At the time that we visited them, I was really only thinking about the shock factor of it all. But I think seeing these vending machines as a place where people can go and talk about personal stories or events or news stories that they think deserve more attention or whatever, it's sort of neat. Like some intersection between art and news and confession and mystery. So anyway, I just wanted to give an update on the story that we got on our box and say that I think these vending machines are a lot cooler than we initially gave them credit for. All right, so that's all. Bye. Thanks for watching. Caleb and I love making these videos, and we have this crazy goal of making it to 1 million subscribers. So if you like this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. Okay, thanks. Bye.